Good morning students. Today I am going to continue chapter 10 water resources. Importance of irrigation. Water is basic input for agriculture. Cultivation of crops depends on the availability of water. Water dissolves minerals and other nutrients in the ground. The roots of the plants draw this nutritious water from the soil. Water is must for commercialization of agriculture, means production of agriculture. Irrigation played a major role in the success of Green Revolution in India. Now, what is Green Revolution in India? A large increase in crop production in developing countries achieved by the use of artificial fertilizers, pesticides and high yield crop of varieties. Many regions like Punjab, Haryana have become leading producer of rice because of irrigation. Many crops are grown in Rajasthan and other arid regions of India because of irrigation. Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat need water of drinking. Needs for irrigation. The need for irrigation in India arises from the following reasons. Variability in rainfall. Rainfall in India is very uncertain, which increases the element of risk and makes crop production rather difficult. Normal rainfall is marked by its wide fluctuation of different parts as also variation from season to season and year to year in its quantity, incidence and duration. This uncertainty compels irrigation facilities to be provided. Unequal distribution of rainfall. In most parts of the country, 80% of the annual rainfall is received from June to September from the southwest monsoon. Saurashtra Kutch region of Gujarat, western half of Rajasthan and parts of Punjab and Haryana are in the arid zone, where there is a constant deficiency of water. Conditions very close to aridity prevail in the rain shadow tract along the leeward side of the western Ghats from Karnataka to Andhra Pradesh. The inadequacy of rainfall in these areas has to be made good by irrigation. To meet crop requirements and soil needs, different crops require different quantities of water supply. For example, crops such as rice, sugarcane, jute, cotton, chilies, etc. require more water and need irrigation even in areas of heavy rainfall. Besides, sandy soil require frequent water supply than the alluvial or black soils. To maximize production, to get high yields and maximum production from land, and to facilitate double and triple cropping, irrigation is a must. To get efficient use of usable flow, many of the Indian rivers are not perennial and they carry insignificant flows during the Rabi season. There is also a wide disparity in the water flow from year to year. The characteristic of central and southern river is about 80% to 90% of the annual run of takes place during the 4 months of monsoon rains. The rivers are largely dry during the 8 months of the year, and it is obvious therefore to make use of a sizable portion of the average. Sizable portion of the average means fairly large. To supplement supply even in good rainfall areas, irrigation is required most as a supplemental. Here supplemental means to provide it in addition what is already present. Need to protect single crop agriculture against occasional drought.